In this video, we are going to cover how to use the teacher's dashboard. Now, after you've logged into Opiq, the teacher's dashboard view is divided into 3 blocks. Starting from the left, the blocks are tasks, courses, and Opiq shortcuts. Firstly, the tasks block shows information about tasks saved or sent to pupils within 30 days. This block gives a shortcut to check the submitted tasks and give feedback to the pupils. Also, here it is possible to see how many pupils have already done the assigned task and what is the overall results of the assigned task. Secondly, the courses block provides the shortcuts to all ongoing courses. By clicking on a course image, the person is taken to a study kit. By clicking on exercises or results, you will be directed to task exercises page where you will see all tasks related to the bookmarked study chapter. It is also possible to assign tasks straight from the teacher's dashboard. And finally, the Opiq shortcuts block provides the user with useful shortcuts. The Find It Fast icon takes you to the chapter search page. The book icon notifies you when new digital books are added. A red dot appears on the icon. By clicking the icon, it will take you to the library with the most recently added digital textbooks automatically displayed at the top of this page in this view. Now, the version shortcut icon is a link with the version number that leads to the Opiq platform upgrade list page. A red dot will appear on the icon when the version number is updated. The Help Center icon will take you to the user manuals page. And finally, the Show My Account Details icon will show you the currently logged in user and their institutional affiliation. Now, the top menu bar of your teacher account has the following buttons. The tasks and course icon, which opens the user's dashboard, regardless of which Opiq page the user is currently on. Now, the search icon opens the search page. The library icon provides an overview of all digital textbooks in Opiq. The clock icon opens the clock, timer, and stopwatch. You can use these for timed work during class. To stop and close the timer and the stopwatch, click the X button. Now, the notifications icon is where you find notifications such as when pupils request to unsubmit the assignments he or she has already submitted. Now, the profile or name icon provides information on settings, orders, licenses, etc. Say, for instance, if you have several roles in Opiq, you can change roles and or log out from Opiq. Please keep in mind, if you use a publicly used computer, after finishing your work, do not leave yourself logged in. Log out.